Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to make a GitHub repository public. If you've been searching for a way to make or change a private repository to public in GitHub, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To make a GitHub repository public, first of all, open github.com on your computer web browser and log into your account. Once you are in GitHub, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. A drop-down menu appears. Select your repositories. Now, choose a private repository from the list that you want to make public. Once you are in the repository, click on the Settings tab located at the top of the repository page. If you want to create a new public repository, then select Public at the time of creating the new repository. In the General Settings page, scroll down to the Danger Zone section at the bottom of the page. Find the Change Repository Visibility option and click on the Change Visibility button next to it. A pop-up menu will appear asking you to confirm the change. Select Make Public to proceed. Now, GitHub will ask you to confirm your choice for making it public. Click on I want to make this repository public. Lastly, click on the Make this repository public button. After confirmation, your repository will be changed to public and anyone can view it. By following these simple steps, you can easily make your private GitHub repository public.